Hello everyone, it's your girl Ali and I'm back again tonight and I'm taking you to my nightlife and showing you guys how I actually prep my face and cleanse my face, my beautiful face before I go to bed. So I just want to welcome everyone who are new to my channel. My channel is about beauty and so forth, inside outside beauty. Okay, and welcome back to all of my Ali babies. So tonight I'm going to show you guys what I actually use to cleanse my face at night before I go to bed, how I prep my face and so forth. And you guys, before I dive right into it, you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. Don't forget to share this video as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you guys, and don't forget to drop a comment down below, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this video. Okay, so I will be using the cleanse. This one is I'm going to use the Clean Clear. This is a Clean Clear, and this is the Forming facial cleanser. So this one is the oil free. This is the first step. Of course, I don't know if anybody is familiar with this, but majority of people are. So pretty much it shows you what step is what. It has a circle right here, so you can know what step is what. And I'm going to also use the deep cleaning astringent, and this one is oil free, and this is the second step, as you can see, astringent. Okay, and this one is the dual action moisturizer. This is what the last step that you actually apply to your face after you actually cleanse your face and so forth. This is the moisturizer, and this one is to help prevent pimples and so forth. So as you can see, number 3 in a circle. Okay, so you can actually pick this up from Walmart or CVS or Walmart, CVS, or whatever store you have that actually, like beauty stores. They do have some little stuff. Some beauty stores do supply stuff, cleansers for your face and so forth. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the cleanser to cleanse the face, which is the soap. Okay, so you really don't need a lot of it. Okay, it's really thick, as you can see. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in my palm of my hand. Make sure it's open first, okay? So I squeeze a little bit, as you can see, and this is how it looks. Okay, look at that. And this is how much I have in my hand, you guys. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna, I usually roll my hands together and then roll it into my face. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. Now you want to kind of, I ain't a professional in this, but this is this is how I actually apply it to my face at night. I actually go on rotation and go like with my hands and go like this. And I follow the same thing on the next side. And that I follow the same. Now if you want more you can, but the little that you put in your hand should be just enough for your whole face, pretty much. And as you can see, it darkens after it's on your face. And this is how I apply it. And let's let you guys see how my face actually looks. Alright, so I broke out so much, you guys. Look at this. It's all good. It's all good. So anyways, alright. So now I'm gonna rinse my hands off. I also have a rag. You can use rag. Get you like a nice little rag to, and it'd be like a face towel or face rag. Okay. Okay. Also, they do tell you like how long you want to leave it on and so forth. Me, usually I leave it on for like a few minutes. A few minutes be like 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and then after that I go through it and actually scrub. I add a little bit of water to the rag or to my hands, and I just kind of like go into it again and massage again. And I'm basically gonna go do that now. Just a little bit of water, not a lot, and just basically activating the soap so it can form up more in the areas that I actually place it. Because remember, the soap is starting to dry onto the face, so you just want to, not a lot, you just want to activate it a little bit by putting just a little water on it. Oh my goodness, and it feels so good, you guys. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Look at this. It feels good. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. And so basically, I use the face towel and I go through it. And you want to take your time taking it off, okay? Do the same thing on top. And then rinse it off. And follow the same thing all over again. Make sure everything is off. Usually I go within my eyes. What you guys think? I good. Okay. Okay. Next step. And take paper towel. This one is kind of like you want to pet your face when you dry it a little bit. You're just going to kind of like take off a little bit of the moisture that's on there, the water. Now we use the deep cleaning Astringent. Use the Astringent, and I'm using a deep cleansing. So you're gonna just kind of just go put a little bit, just a drop on here, okay? Just a drop. You don't need but so much. And I pet it. I don't just rub it straight through on your face. You don't want to do that. Trust me, you don't want to do that. So I just basically go through it like that. just basically do that. Okay. Wait for a few minutes. See that when you put it on, you feel that cool feeling, that tingling, cool feeling. It feels good. Your face feels all, you know. All right. So last but not least, we're gonna actually be using the moisturizer. So this is your third step. This is what you want to use in your face. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And this is how much you want to put on your face. This much. Okay? You don't need but so much on your face. This is all you need. Trust me. So, I do a little bit here, a little bit here, here, and a little bit here. Okay? Just showing you how I do mine at night. This is what I do every night. And I just go in. Remember, your face is still a little damp. And just roll it in. And roll it into this beautiful face. Take your time. Now you can use a rag or another face towel or rag. You can have one that you can actually be doing the cleansing with, and then one you can actually apply the lotion with. Everybody does it different. To me, I feel there's no wrong or right way to do it when it comes down doing that way, as long as you don't use the extract and just kind of like roll it all over your face. But it do give that cleansing feeling. You know, you feel that tingling sensation. You know, those of you that do use face cleansers, you know exactly what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't know, that's how it actually feels. So, yep. So now just letting it go through here, and it looks good and it feels good. Oh gosh, look at that face. Oh my goodness, you guys, it feels so good. It feels good. Okay, so pretty much after I'm done with this is pretty much it. I do this and I tie my hair up and keep it pushing, and that's pretty much it. So pretty much I follow the same thing every day at night before I go to bed, and then in the morning I actually follow the same thing, just a little different. So in the morning I may just use just the forming facial cleanser, and then I will skip over the deep clean and Astringent, and I will use just the lotion, the moisturizer lotion. Sometimes I skip over it and sometimes I don't. So that's pretty much what I use to cleanse my face with, and I'm telling you, it feels lovely. Okay, and that's what keeps my beautiful face. So you guys, also I know from the last video I sent you guys and I posted, I was telling you guys that I was going to do my niece hair and so forth. Just stay forward. I will definitely be posting that. Sorry you guys, I couldn't upload a video for last week because I had so much stuff that I had to get done and do. But you guys, I'm here. I'll be back tomorrow with another banging video, you guys. Just wait. So today I just wanted to come on and basically show you guys how I actually cleanse my face at night, and how I go through the 3 steps with the clean cleanser, and how I actually do it, how I actually take it off, and so forth. Okay, you guys, so you guys, you have a wonderful night. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like what you see, you guys, so you can see all the upcoming videos that I'll be posting. I post video every Tuesday and Thursday, you guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.